alternate side. I want you to put it in drive and just let it go. Just don't
gut it.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want like this master lock you can put underneath the tire?
No. Come on, babe.
All right, so oh, I gotta open this twice. It's a little trick there. All right. So let's see. This is what we're looking like, and let's see. Ooh, no bueno, no bueno. Do, 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 do. You want to explain what's going on really quick?
We're stuck.
We're stuck.
Use this underneath the tire.
No, I'm not ruining that. It's no.
So what do you have? All right. What do you want me to do?
Nothing right now. No, I don't really. This bother me.
Hey, you asked for the fame. I'm just recording it.
Okay, babe, turn it on. Crack it up. Alright. Brennan, put that away. And I need your help pushing, please.
Alright.
Put it in reverse.
In the front?
Get on that side. Go that far.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
Yeah, that's a hell of a knife. I had my little pocket knife. It wasn't doing it.
I just bought it this morning too.
Oh, you did?
No way.
They had them in Walmart on sale, $19.
Oh, wow.
I couldn't
Jeez.
beat it.
No, we're glad that you have
I
it.
think this one's okay.
But now it's spinning a lot too.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, this is a problem here.
You're gonna slide right back in there.
Yeah, I think I gotta back out. That's what I gotta do. Yeah, we probably could have pushed better if the brake hadn't been on. So.
I didn't put the brake on.
That's true.
I followed my directions. Turn the wheel, hit the gas.
Yeah,
Okay.
how's that right there?
Yes, that's good. Yeah.
You going back or forward?
You going back?
Back. Want me to push?
Not yet.
Luckily, we met a man with a big knife who was willing to chop down some palmetto branches for us and help us get out of the mud. Oh yeah, it is a very muddy day, and you can see the handiwork right here. Look at that. That's all us. Oh my God, getting in and out of that mud. A nice man parked here has gone to get help, but hopefully we'll see him on the way out.
Whatever you-
Down.
It's fine.
It is.
Shoot
You
that
can
way.
shoot from in here,
Um,
from the sea.
yeah, wait, move to. Let's see. Wait, move to the right, Karen. I just want to see how much of it is in there. Yeah, there's a lot of shit in there too. Hold on. I mean, we would have to repark it if you don't want anything.
What
in
if we just open the door up?
You tell me when to.
Go for it.
Recording?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Sheesh, you forgot to hit record one time.
What?
So you forgot to hit record one time.
Fall out.
Very nice. Good.